Well, boys, this is what Vindor held up. Look at that shit. Wow. Unbelievable. Dude almost came on over here on the interstate. Unbelievable. That's Vindor held up. Look at that. Wow. And a box truck. Wow, wow, wow. He almost came in over here on this interstate. Wow. Unbelievable.